In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a man named Jeff. Once an adventurous photographer, known for his daring escapades and his uncanny ability to capture life's most captivating moments through his lens, Jeff's world had drastically changed. A tragic accident had left him confined to a wheelchair, his once thriving career now limited to the views from his apartment window. As Jeff's world became smaller, his curiosity grew larger. With nothing but time on his hands, he began to observe his neighbors, each window offering a glimpse into a different life. There was Miss Toso, the aspiring dancer whose graceful movements captivated Jeff's attention, and Miss Lonelyhearts, a lonely woman who longed for love. But it was the mysterious Mr. Thorvald who truly captured Jeff's imagination. Jeff watched as Thorvald's comings and goings grew increasingly suspicious, his late-night excursions and furtive behavior sparking Jeff's detective instincts. Convinced that Thorvald had committed a crime, Jeff enlisted the help of his girlfriend, Lisa, and his nurse, Stella, to uncover the truth. As Jeff and his companions delved deeper into the mystery, they found themselves entangled in a web of deceit and danger. Their investigation led them to discover a dark secret, one that put Jeff's own life in jeopardy. But with determination and courage, Jeff persevered, using his wits and his camera to bring the truth to light. In the end, Jeff's bravery and keen observation skills not only solved the mystery of Mr. Thorvald but also rekindled his passion for life and adventure. Though confined to his wheelchair, Jeff found that the world outside his window was full of excitement and intrigue, if only one took the time to look. And so, Jeff's story became a testament to the power of curiosity and the resilience of the human spirit. As the days turned into weeks, Jeff's obsession with the mystery of Mr. Thorvald grew. He spent hours watching from his window, taking note of every movement, every visitor that came and went from Thorvald's apartment. Lisa and Stella, initially skeptical of Jeff's suspicions, soon found themselves drawn into his investigation, their own curiosity piqued by the enigmatic figure next door. One night, as Jeff watched intently from his window, he witnessed something that confirmed his worst fears. Thorvald, in a fit of rage, appeared to be burying something in the garden. Jeff knew that he had to act fast. He called the police, but without concrete evidence, they were unable to take action. Determined to uncover the truth, Jeff hatched a daring plan. With the help of Stella and Lisa, he orchestrated a series of events designed to provoke a reaction from Thorvald. As their plan unfolded, Jeff watched with bated breath, his camera at the ready. Finally, Thorvald's true nature was revealed. In a shocking twist, it was discovered that Thorvald had murdered his wife and buried her in the garden. The police were called, and Thorvald was arrested, bringing an end to Jeff's harrowing ordeal. As Jeff reflected on the events that had unfolded, he realized that his time spent observing his neighbors had not only solved a mystery but had also reignited his passion for life. Though he may never